Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You probably noticed that I'm not in the kitchen today and I'm not cooking either, but I am eating. I'm in my little car, Susan, and I saw that grown-up donuts, which are meant to be like the elite donuts in Auckland, are actually around the corner from me. I did not even realize that they had a shop in Henderson, which isn't too far from where I live. And so I thought, let's try them together today. I'm so excited. Let's just get straight in. They come in this box. I did already open it. Grown up donuts. And they smell absolutely flippin' insane. The first one, do you know what? The lady who worked in the shop was so nice. And she recognized me from Bake Off, which I always find so funny. People always say to me, I know you from somewhere. And I'm like, do I actually know them? What if I actually know them? And then someone was like, do you watch the Great Kiwi Bake Off? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, oh, that's really nice. She was so lovely. So she recommended chocolate mousse. Oh, yeah. Then I just got the vanilla custard. Oh, they've got a bit. They've sat on them where they've been sitting on their bottoms. Then, oh, that car's pulling up right next to me. Awkward. Oh well. Passion fruit curd. Oh, look at that. It's got like meringue on the top. Yum. And then the last one is creme brulee, and it's got a crunchy sugar top. Oh, where's that car stopping? Don't stop near me. Oh, it's the council. Oh no! I'm fine, right? I don't know where I am. Dun dun dun. Oh well. Well, let's eat. This could go so wrong in my car, but oh well. I also have somewhere to go straight after this. So if I'm covered in donuts, then I'll just have to go covered in donuts. I feel like we need to start classic. Like start with the custard. Vanilla custard. Yum. I was going to bite that bit. Oh my god. Look how much custard is inside. Oh, flip, that's good. That's a really good custard, actually. The dough is really, really, really light and fluffy. Can you see how fluffy that is? I hate when donuts aren't full enough, like when it's just a little bit. That is full. Yum. Oh, yum. Yum. I feel like we'll rank them at the end. That is a solid, good donut. Highly recommend that. Okay, what next? I feel like then I need to go like passion fruit. I'm going to save the creme brulee for last. Passion fruit curd. I want to suck that bit off the top. So it's got a little meringue on the top. I'm assuming it's passion fruit curd on the inside. I think it's going to be really sour. I love sour stuff. Holy shit. Yum! There's so much curd in there. That's a lovely curd. It's like a really great texture. It's like custard, but it's really passion fruity. You can kind of taste the egginess a little bit. I don't really like when a curd has that like little eggy taste. That guy's probably like, what's she doing in there? Just eating donuts. But it's really passion fruity and it's really full. Yum. Okay. Chocolate mousse. I'm going to try chocolate mousse next. It's got little bits on top. Oh, wow. That is so light. It looked like kind of ganache on the top, like it was going to be really thick. That is so light. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, that's really good. Oh, that's my favourite one so far. Look at that mousse. I cannot get over how full they are. That's good. They're quite expensive. Everything's expensive nowadays. It was $30 for 4. So like, math, $7.50 each. But when you're getting a donut full like that, and the dough is so lovely and light and fluffy, they also make them fresh every single morning. Okay, last one. I don't think I'm going to get full, you know. I think I could eat them all. I know I've only taken 2 bites of each, but I think I could eat a solid half of each of them and still be fine. Okay, creme brulee. The real test is going to be crunch test. Yes. Okay, here we go. I think this is the same vanilla custard. It's in the vanilla one. And they've done a brulee top. Yeah, that's good. Oh my god. I love anything with a crunchy caramel on top. Yeah. Do you know what's interesting? Is the dough is a tiny bit chewier on the top on this one. Probably from where they've dunked it in the hot sugar. That's flippin' delicious. Oh my gosh. I can't decide which is my favourite. Chocolate mousse, I think. Then I think it's this one. Then the vanilla and then the passion fruit curd last. Yum. Yum! So worth it. Well, I hope you enjoyed these donuts. I hope go get some donuts. I wish I got more different ones to try. Next time I'll get like 12. I'll get every single flavour. Have a great day. See you next time we try something. What else should I try? That was so good. I don't know what to do now though. And my fingers are literally covered in sugar. And I only have this one napkin. My car's a cesspit already, but it's just because it was full of crumbs. Because I love eating in the car. Because I love eating as soon as I buy something. I just want to eat it straight away. You know, when I first bought my car, it had a bit of an ant infestation. So if I brought any food in the car, I'd get covered in ants. I don't have that problem anymore. But now there's so many crumbs, the ants are definitely going to want to come back. I think I need some more.